If you're experiencing intermittent loss of vent air upon acceleration, this is a quick fix for that issue. This is a 1994 Ford F-150, but this fix will work on many different year Ford pickup trucks. Over here we have a vacuum actuator that reroutes the air from the floor to the vent to the defroster. Now the problem is this vacuum line is exposed for so long it becomes weak and brittle and eventually rubs a hole in it or it cracks. So as you're giving it gas, it pulls vacuum from a cracked vacuum line here, and it basically closes this and defaults all air through the defroster. So the fix is to basically cut out the bad section of exposed vacuum line. Basically what I did was slice up this wire loom to expose good vacuum line, cut it at the good vacuum, cut a small section of the rubber hose off, put the new cut rubber hose line on the new exposed vacuum line. This is nice and hard plastic, it's not brittle and cracked like this one. You can see the big hole in it. Also what I did was take the vacuum line off the back of the actuator and cut about an inch off of that too, because I noticed it was kind of weak and pulled right off of there. Wasn't given a good connection, so that could have been a leak back there too. So if you do this, that'll fix your intermittent loss of vent air. I hope this video helps, and thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. Ask any questions if you have. Thank you very much and have a great day, guys.